Hello everyone. Today in pair of linear equations in two variable we are going to see the question related with the reducible word problem. Let us see here. It's given that Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. So what is asked? We'll start our solution from there only. Your solution will be, let the speed of Ritu's be x kilometer per hour in still water, okay, still water, and speed of Ritu in current be y kilometer per hour. So we know for downstream, therefore speed of downstream is equal to x plus y. That means in still water we have to add the speed of the current, okay, and speed of upstream, your upstream is equal to x minus y. So again we'll come to the question. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours. We know the formula. Speed, your speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay, so it's given Ritu can row downstream, that means 20 kilometers. So your 20 kilometer upon distance is 20 and in 2 hours, and what is the speed is equal to x plus y, and upstream 4 kilometer, that is 4 kilometers the distance, again the time is 2 and this is upstream, this is x minus y. So you can see here we are getting the equation x plus y is equal to 10. So from here the equation is x plus y is equal to 10. Let it be equation number 1, and from here 4 divided by 2, that is x minus y is equal to 2, and this is your equation number 2. When you add these two equations you get 2x is equal to 12 and x is equal to 6. So put x is equal to 6 in equation 1, so this becomes 6 plus y is equal to 10 and your y is equal to 10 minus 6, that is 4. So what is the speed of Ritu's in still water? That is x kilometer. Therefore speed in still water is 6 kilometer per hour, and speed of current is 4 kilometer per hour. So this is how we work out the questions which are related with upstream and downstream. Thank you.